Welcome to week 10 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis worth of Bitcoin on 3 NFL picks using the Ember app and then make a parlay with those same 3 picks. I picked the 3 teams that I think are most likely to win regardless of odds, and the best thing about this is that there's no investment required. So if you're interested in making free NFL predictions and getting some free Bitcoin, please use the link in the description for the Ember app. And going into week 10, I'm 23-13. I've won $168.68 and lost $65. My first pick is the Carolina Panthers over the New Orleans Saints. The Saints have been pretty bad all year, and the Carolina Panthers actually have a winning record, and Bryce Young is playing pretty decently. They just beat the Packers, and the Saints are so much worse than that. I think I got to give the Panthers my first shot of the year. My next pick is the Detroit Lions over the Washington Commanders. The Lions did let me down last week, but they're playing a backup quarterback in Marcus Mariota, and I think this is a great bounce back game for the Lions, and I expect them to take it. And my last pick is the Denver Broncos over the Las Vegas Raiders. I feel like the Raiders are kind of mailing in the rest of the season. They just traded away probably their best receiver or one of their best receivers. And the Broncos have been pretty consistent all year, and I don't think this will be close. This is going to be a Thursday night game at home. And with this being a Thursday night game at home while the Raiders just played an overtime game, I don't see this being too close. And that makes my parlay the Panthers, Broncos, and Lions, risking 5,000 sats to win 11,100. And I'll be back with next week's stats and picks, and let's hope our parlay hits this week.